Here's some generic mod cones at Melbourne Central. Oh, it's this one right down the end. Level 6 is no access, so we'll go up to level 5 then. Lift number 9, maximum load 2100 kilos, 30 persons. We'll do a cab view.
Fifth floor. Doors opening.
We'll go to P2.
Doors closing.
See what that button does.
Doors opening.
Oh, it's door
Going
hold.
down.
Door hold.
Doors closing. Car park level 2. Doors opening.
We'll go up to
Going up.
level 1.
Doors closing.
I like the touch screen there, that's nice.
First floor.
I'll end the video here.
Doors opening.